how I long to breathe the air of heaven, where pain is gone and mercy fills the streets, to look upon the one who bled to save me. How I long and walk with him for all eternity. There will be a day when all will bow before him. There will be a day when death will be no more, standing face to face with he who died and rose again. Holy, holy is the Lord.
وكل صلاة ارتفعت في وسط اليأس ترنيم إيمان عند الشك ووقت الخوف. في ذاك النار سيختفي كل الظلام حين يعود ليمسح كل الدموع. سيكون هناك يوم الجميع يسجد أمامه. سيكون هناك يوم لن يوجد الموت. سأقف أمامه الذي مات وقام. قدوس إلهنا قدوس.
ביום ההוא מן המתים נקומה ונעמוד לצד הגיבורים, בכל אחד אלפי דורות ישירו ראוי יעשה זה האלוהים.
On that day we join the resurrection and stand beside the heroes of the faith, and with one voice 1,000 generations sing, worthy is the Lamb who was slain.
ראוי יעשה זה האלוהים.
سيملك يسوع إلى الأبد.
היום עלה להביא למלך במרומים, נשיר עם מלאכים, נשיר עם הקדושים. תודה לך אלי, ניצחת את המוות. קדוש, קדוש האלוהים.
So let it be today. We shout the hymn of heaven with angels and the saints. We'll raise a mighty roar.
مجدا للإله الذي أعطانا الحياة. قدوس إلهنا القدوس.
קדוש, קדוש האלוהים.
Holy, holy is the Lord.
But we also need to carefully examine the surrounding region and forge strong alliances. And I want to emphasize minorities. In the space where we live, the Kurdish people, a large nation of about 40 million, one of the largest nations in the world, perhaps the largest in the world, without political independence, is a natural ally of ours. And it is a national minority in 4 different countries. No, in Syria de facto, in Iraq also, de jure in the Iraqi constitution. And he is a victim of oppression and aggression from Iran and Turkey. We need to reach out to him and strengthen ties with him, and this also has political and security aspects. I also follow the Druze minority in neighboring countries, in Syria and Lebanon. And we have a courageous alliance with the Druze citizens of Israel. We need to look at the developments in this context and understand that in a region where we will always be a minority, natural alliances can be formed with other minorities.
In the village of Nasaleh, in the warm and Arab-inhabited region of Diyala, Iraq, there was a single oak tree. It was surprising to everyone how an oak, which is typically found in mountainous and Kurdish areas, managed to grow in this desert. After the Iraq War, while clearing the area of landmines, they discovered that a Kurdish family had been buried alive under the tree during the Anfal campaign. An acorn that was in the pocket of the family's 11-year-old child had gradually grown into a tree. It seems that the quote attributed to Napoleon is true, which says, "You can kill the Kurds, but you cannot defeat them." The Kurds have deep roots. They sprout anew from the heart of death. در روستای ناساله در منطقه گرمسیر و عرب نشین دیاله عراق یک تک درخت بلوط وجود داشت. برای همه جای تعجب بود. بلوطی که پوشش مخصوص مناطق کوهستانی و کردنشین هست چطور در این بیابان رشد کرده؟ بعد از جنگ عراق برای خنثی کردن مینهای جنگی اون منطقه رو کندن و متوجه شدن یک خانواده کرد در زیر درخت انفال و زنده به گور شدن و بلوطی که در جیب کودک 11 ساله خانواده بوده ذره ذره بزرگ و تبدیل به درخت شده. انگار این جمله منتسب به ناپلئون درسته که میگه کردها رو میشه کشت اما نمیشه شکست داد. کردها ریشه دارن. از دل مرگ دوباره سبز میشن.